I'm Marcella Barker, and my talk is on the transformative power of making things for the individual and the world.
There's a reason why we pull the speakers right off stage as soon as you finish your talk, because we want to capture exactly how you feel. So how was your experience today? How was your talk being up there?
It was great. It was different than I thought. I was really nervous at first, but I feel so passionately about what I was speaking about that I just got really excited to talk about it. And I was just thrilled to have this opportunity and this great audience to hear about what I really care about.
Mm-hmm. I love your topic, as you already have heard, because I'm an engineer and I like to instill the same sort of things to the kids that I mentor and even some of the college professionals and things like this.
Yeah.
But it's definitely a topic that I think a lot of people can connect with. So is that something that you could see? Could you almost like see the gears moving in the audience and feel that energetic connection?
I think so. Yeah, absolutely. There's something, we talk about the maker movement and it's kind of exclusive. It kind of feels like a subculture. But the reality is people used to do this all the time. Everyone made something. That's how they made their living. That's how they just survived. And it's this essential part of being a human being that we're disconnected from. So I think that really resonates with people, especially in a digital age where more people than ever are just kind of sitting behind their computers and, they really get the urge to just get their hands dirty and do something physical. So that connects with people. And then once they get that experience, they end up doing something really incredible a lot of the time.
Love that. I love that. And let's talk a little bit about, we heard great stuff about how your talk was, but I'd love to hear if you're excited to experience some of the other talks. I know you got to listen to a few before yours, maybe a little bit of networking after this, but when it comes to an event like TEDx, there's definitely some feels, TEDx, especially Wilmington, because I don't know if you're in the Philadelphia location or Wilmington. I know you have the two.
Go back and forth.
Bounce, yeah, superwoman, right? So there's got to be something that makes you feel good about being in the crowd and being able to chat with, people coming up to you and probably wanting to come check out the space now. I would love to hear from you about your excitement based on the event going forward, just being in this sort of atmosphere now.
Yeah. Well, what I love is the presenters all have really diverse topics, but their talks are incredible and they all have a great personal story and there's some element of vulnerability and transformation. I think the thread runs through all the talks. So I think any person who this appeals to, this theme, we have something in common automatically. So I'm excited to talk to them.
I love that. I love that. That's really good. And final question. This is my favorite question. Okay. Now that you are an illustrious TEDx speaker alum, congrats. Hooray. What advice, what words of wisdom can you provide to future TEDxWilmington speakers? Because we actually use these testimonials, particularly this question, and we show them to people who apply. So if you could provide any insight on your advice or words of wisdom leading into today, what would that be?
Listen to Ajit. Follow the rules for your slides. They're so important. Keep them simple, bold text. Practice, practice, practice. Practice in front of different groups of people, your colleagues, your friends, your family, your dog, whatever. Practice a lot, but most of all, have fun and relax because it's about, communicating something you care about, not being perfect.
Ideas worth spreading, right?
That's right.